warheads, AI is far more dangerous than nukes. I think the danger of AI is much greater than the danger of nuclear warheads by a lot.
We often hear that artificial intelligence will make our lives easier, smarter homes, faster businesses, and a more connected world. But behind the hype lies a darker truth. AI isn't just a tool for progress. It's also a technology that can be used in ways we never imagined, with consequences that could affect every single one of us. From hidden biases to machines making life and death decisions, the dark side of AI is growing, and most people have no idea how deep it goes. In this countdown, we explore the top 10 dark sides of AI that nobody talks about. Number 10. Job loss on a massive scale. The first danger is one most people already fear: AI taking jobs. We're not just talking about factory workers. We're talking about office clerks, drivers, teachers, and even creative professionals. AI is replacing humans in roles once thought untouchable. By 2030, tens of millions of jobs could vanish. Some experts predict entire industries may shrink, leaving societies struggling with unemployment and economic inequality. The real danger isn't just losing jobs. It's what happens when millions are left behind in a world run by machines. Number 9. Deepfakes and fake reality. AI can create fake videos and voices so real that it's almost impossible to tell the difference. Imagine a world where anyone's face or voice can be copied.
He's suggesting it came out of nowhere. What we subsequently learned is it may have come from the former president or his legal team acting in bad faith. This is a deepfake example of what is possible with powerful computer and editing. It took around 72 hours to create this example from scratch using extremely powerful GPU. It could be improved with more computing time, but 90% of people cannot tell the difference.
Politicians saying things they never said, celebrities in fake scandals, or even your own voice used in scams. Deepfake technology is spreading fast, and in the wrong hands, it could destabilize entire countries or destroy personal lives. The line between truth and fiction is blurring, and AI is the tool pushing it. Number 8. AI bias and discrimination. AI is only as fair as the data it's trained on, and that data often carries human bias. From hiring systems that reject women to facial recognition that misidentifies minorities, AI can quietly reinforce discrimination at a massive scale. The dark side? These systems often work in secret. People don't even know they've been judged unfairly by an algorithm. By trusting AI without questioning it, societies risk building invisible walls that divide us further. Number 7. Autonomous weapons. One of the scariest applications of AI is in warfare. Autonomous drones and AI-guided weapons can select and eliminate targets without human input. Imagine machines making life-or-death decisions in milliseconds. Militaries around the world are already testing this technology. Experts warn it could lead to a new kind of arms race, one where battles are fought by machines and accountability disappears. The terrifying truth: wars of the future might not need human soldiers at all. Number 6. AI surveillance states. AI is becoming the backbone of mass surveillance. In some countries, cameras with facial recognition track citizens everywhere they go. AI can analyze movements, predict behavior, and even score people's trustworthiness. For governments, this is power like never before. For citizens, it means living in a digital cage. The dark side of AI surveillance isn't just being watched, it's being judged and controlled by systems you can't escape. Number 5. AI-generated crime and scams. Criminals are using AI too. Scammers already clone voices to trick people into sending money. Hackers use AI to break passwords faster than ever. Even cyber attacks can now be automated by intelligent systems. In the future, entire criminal networks could run with almost no humans involved. The nightmare scenario: AI-powered crime that evolves faster than law enforcement can stop it. Number 4. AI addiction and manipulation. Social media already uses AI to keep us scrolling. But in the future, this manipulation will go much deeper. AI will know exactly what triggers your emotions, tailoring feeds, ads, and even conversations to keep you hooked. For companies, it means more profit. For people, it means less freedom, as our choices are quietly shaped by invisible algorithms. The dark side here isn't losing control to machines. It's never realizing that you already have. Number 3. Loss of human skills. As AI takes over tasks, humans risk forgetting how to do them. If AI writes for us, will we lose the art of writing? If it cooks for us, will we forget how to prepare food? If it drives for us, will we forget how to navigate? Over time, humans may become dependent on AI for even the simplest things. The dark side isn't just about machines taking control, it's about us willingly giving it up. Number 2. AI making life and death decisions. Hospitals are starting to use AI to diagnose diseases or recommend treatments. Self-driving cars may soon decide who to save in a crash. But what happens when an algorithm chooses who lives and who dies? These decisions are often hidden inside black boxes. Even the creators don't fully understand how the AI makes its choices. Trusting machines with life or death power could be one of humanity's biggest risks. Number 1. The unknown future of AI. The greatest dark side of AI is also the most mysterious. We don't know where it will lead. Some experts warn of superintelligent AI that could outthink humans and escape our control. Others worry about small, hidden ways AI could slowly change society without us noticing. The truth is, nobody knows exactly what the future holds. And that uncertainty, the idea of building a force we don't fully understand, may be the scariest part of all. AI promises to make life easier, but it also carries risks we can't afford to ignore. From surveillance to job loss, from deepfakes to weapons, the dark side of AI is already here, quietly shaping the world. So what do you think? Is AI a tool we can control, or a danger we've already unleashed? Comment below with your thoughts, and subscribe to AI Explained for more countdowns about the future of technology.